Hey guys, Matheus Castelo here and back to the channel, and today I want to show you a tool that I'm working on that is called the PhobOS Emulator Manager. It was designed to run, or is a tool to make it easy to run a virtual machine for PhobOS. It's another operation system that I'm working on, but as a side effect, it's possible to run any other operation system image. Then what we will try is to run Torizon operation system, right? We will download the image and try to run using the emulator, the PhobOS Emulator Manager, right? So if you want to know more, stay with me. All right, so yeah, let's first get the tool, right? So I will leave the link for the GitHub repo here on this video description, right? It's github.com Gaia build system PhobOS Emulator Manager. Here on the README we have the instructions for installation. You need to have Docker installed, Docker and the Docker Compose plugin, right? I already have it here. You get here the script. Let me copy here the command for the installation that will download the install script and run it. So let me paste it here. Okay, it needs my password. All right, so this will also check for the dependencies on your machine. It needs Docker Compose plugin. Okay, installed successfully. Once you have installed it, you have this new command, PhobOS Emulator Manager. So let's try it. PhobOS Emulator Manager. Yes, and then this window will be shown. All right, so as I said, the PhobOS Emulator Manager was designed to run PhobOS, right? So it already downloads the image for PhobOS. If I click here on Start, this will run the PhobOS operation system. But there is a feature for the PhobOS Emulator Manager that you can pass an image as an argument, and then this will run that image instead of the PhobOS image. So let's try it, right? Let me get here. Okay, let me close this one. And first we need the image, right? So let's get the Torizon image. Let's find, let's search on Torizon Toradex Artifactory. All right. Toradex use JFrog with Jenkins, so we should have here on artifacts. Okay, so we should have here, common Torizon. You can see here that we have common Torizon TI and common Torizon x86. Is this one that I want, right? Because we, at least I have here on PC that is x86, so I need the common Torizon x86 image. Scott Gap, that is the build of Yocto, nightly build. And yeah, let's get the latest build here, the 115, right? And then we have Intel Core i7, okay. Oh, more one folder, common Torizon. More one folder, Torizon Docker. More one folder, that is the Open Embedded Deploy. And then here on these files that are the artifacts, yeah, we have here the weak image. This image here, that is the Torizon Docker Intel Core i7 64.wic. So let's download it. I can download it. Yeah, URL of the file. Yeah, this one. Okay, downloading. So let's wait for the finish of the download. Okay, so finally done. This can take some time, depending on where on the globe you are located. Here for Brazil, this takes some time, but I think that if you are located on Europe, this will be more fast, because I think that the server where this file are stored is located on Europe. All right. But okay, anyway, we have the file. I think that I put here, yeah, it comes here. It's interesting that comes with a weird name, with some Wonderline stuff. So let's rename them. Let me do this on the terminal, because on the terminal the font size should be better. Okay, so you can see here that, yeah, the link from the Artifactory gets us some weird file name. Yeah, but appears to be the right file. So let's only rename the file. Okay, it's weird. I don't know why this is adding these underlines on the start and the end of the file name. But okay, so now we have it right. So let's run the PhobOS Emulator Manager, passing the path for the file. And it's very important here to you pass the absolute path, right? If you run only or if you pass only the file name, this will not work, right? You need to pass the absolute path, like home, your user, downloads, and then Torizon Docker Intel Core i7 64.wic. Okay, nice. So now, if I run, or if I click here on Start Emulator, this will start the image that I'm passing as an argument. All right, so I will use the predefined storage size and run size, and let's start. Okay, nice. Yeah, group, and then the Torizon splash screen. It's working. Yeah. Okay. What we have now? So we don't have the login screen here. Oh, okay, but we have the login on the serial. Yeah. And another thing is that when you run the PhobOS Emulator Manager, it redirects the serial, right? The serial 1 or the word 0 to the terminal where you run the PhobOS Emulator Manager command, right? So for some reason, the screen here, or the GPU output or the video output here on the qemu side is not showing the login, but we have it here on the serial. So let's Torizon, the login and the password on the first login is Torizon, and then it asks you to change the current password is Torizon, and then let's yeah, I put a very secure password that is 1, like the digit 1, the character 1. Nice. So I have it here. Let's see if I have Docker. Docker is running, nice. Let me see if the screen is working, right? Because this window here for the qemu should be the screen, should be working with all the drivers and everything for the screen. I don't know why it's not showing the logging, but should be. Let's try to put some trash on the frame buffer. Okay, so you can see that, yeah, it's working. You can see that it, yeah, is there. The trash that we are putting, yeah, is there. Okay. All right. What more we can do? Let's try to pair this device, this virtual device, on the Torizon cloud. Okay, so let's go to the Torizon.io and let's log in. All right, and then let's go on devices. I don't have any device. Okay, but let's provision the device. Oh, maybe the font is too small. Let me put some zoom here. Let's provision the device. And yeah, copy the script here. Let me paste it. My secure password. Okay, and it's done. So we should have this device with the name Savage Cookie. So let's see on devices. Yeah, you can see that Savage Cookie is there. All right. So yeah, you can see that it works, right? You have the device there, and then you can start your development, try the cloud features and stuff. Nice, very cool. So that's it, guys. You can see that the PhobOS Emulator Manager can help you to run Torizon operation system for Intel, so you can evaluate the stuff from Toradex using the PhobOS Emulator Manager, right? Okay, guys, so for this video, that's it. I hope that it was useful for you. If it was useful for you, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also leave here on the comments what you think about it, if this will be useful or not for you. All right. Yeah, that's it, and see you on the next video.